Hello friends, in this video I will be talking about LeetCode problem number 472, concatenated words. In this problem you are given an array of strings, for example cat, dog and cat, dog. In this, what do you have to find? You have to find if a word or a string is the concatenation of other string. For example, here cat, dog is the combination of both cat as well as dog. So cat, dog will be the only answer. Dog is not the concatenation of any of the two or more strings. Similarly, cat is not, so they won't be in our answer. Just cat, dog will be in our answer. So how do you find out? So first, let's take a very simple example. This is our input array. How do you find out if a word can be formed by two different words? How do you even find out that? Let's just split a word into two parts first. So cats can actually be split into C and ATS. Similarly, CA and TS. If you look here, both CAT and S are present in the array. So this word can be formed. But one extra condition here. What if the word is a combination of two or more words? So we have a second approach for that. What do we do? For example, in this particular example, let's take dog cats as example. Similarly, we will split, but if you look here, we can simply neglect the first option because D is never there in the array. Similarly, DO is never there in the array, so we can neglect that. However, dog is there, but is cats there? Cats is not there. However, if we call the function again and check if cat can be formed, yes, cats can be formed. So dog cat is something that can be formed. So what is the approach that we are using here? We will send a string to the function if it can be formed. If it can be formed, we will just add it into the result and just return it. Let's get into the function. So what am I doing here? We are initiating a result and also we are initiating a dictionary that will contain all the words. That is a hash set. So for every word, we are just checking if the word can be formed. What does this method do? It just splits the string into two parts and it will check if both of them are in the array. If the first string is only not there in the array, there is no use going further. However, if the first is in array, what we do? We check if the second string is in array or if the second string can be formed. Then we will return true. That will be added. But one more optimization that we can do on this is, say for in this example, right? There may be possibility that cat is called again and again. Cats can be called again and again, right? If it is formed or not. So what do? We just store it in a hash set. What are all the words that are already formed that will be actually stored in a hash set so that you need not recursively call again and again, and this improves the time complexity. Thank you for watching the video. Please do like and subscribe.